Family, wherever you're watching from, Balafxofficial. So in this episode, I'm going to talk about the difference between MT4 and MT5. That is MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Their differences, they are similar, but there's just a little bit differences, like when you come to your analysis or the way the interface appear. So as usual, we go to Play Store if you don't have it. If this is your first time of watching this video, please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Try to share with your friends. To all newbie forex trader, MT5, we check. My own is up to date. As you can see, it's just open, so it's up to date. My own is up to date. Then we check MT4. MT4, look at it, you search. If you don't have it, you download. This is it. You press open. This is the interface. This is, as you can see, this is the interface. So this, let me clean the background app. So we only have this MT4 and this is MT5. As you can see, here is 4, here is 5. So the differences are, like when I come to my analysis, like if I'm analyzing, I cannot navigate through this place. As you can see here, I cannot zoom. If I want to zoom, I will just only zoom gradually. The zoom is not enough. It's not giving me what I want. The zoom here. Then when you check MT5, you see the zooming it differ in the zooming. Are you seeing? Look at it. The zooming, I can zoom further and check my analysis. Like here, where did this sell happen? If I want to check, this is how I used to do my analysis, but I'm going to explain this on next episodes on next forthcoming videos, so that you understand them. This is engulfing. This is engulfing cell candle. This is another engulfing cell candle, and this is shooting star candle down. Maybe on my next episode, I'm going to talk about chart pattern, and I'm going to explain more about candlesticks so that you understand it gradually. Or I will send the PDF on my Telegram group. Check so that I will send the PDF, the images of chart patterns and name of candlesticks, so that you can be able to memorize them and understand them and understand their formation. It's wanting to memorize and it's wanting to understand. So you just have to pay attention and try to learn the candlestick pattern. If you want to cram, you cram, but make sure you understand it so that you are going to be profitable in this market. That is it. So what caused this buy here, self? But it's just an analysis, yeah. So I'm just explaining the difference between this. So, but let me just do this. What caused this sell here? I will dive into M15 and see what. Look at what caused this place. This is what caused this is on M15. As far when price, this is engulfing buy. When price make engulfing buy and break below and come down, when it come back to the zone, you can see it cannot be able to break the zone and go up. Then look at the next. When it come, it break. So this is on M15. So what I will do, I will go back to M5. I think I'm going to get a good reason why it was like that. On MT5, look at it. I have to adjust them. I have to adjust my key zones. This place, as you can see, engulfing buy, engulfing sell, triple engulfing sell. That was what caused the sell to happen. And when it come back, when it create up, it create another engulfing sell. So the price come down. But what I'm here to talk about is about the differences. As you can see, this have the same navigation. This tools bar down. And here, look at it. You just drag it and drop. Drag it and understand. Look at it. As you can see, if I want to see it clearly, and if I want to make it long, look at it. But MT4 don't have that features. Don't have that features yet, so they're still working on their features. Look at it. If I drag, nothing used to show. If I drag from the prices, otherwise I'll use my 2 finger to zoom in and zoom out. As you can see, my 2 finger is what I'm using to zoom out and zoom in. Then even when I want to place trade, and that's different things. When I want to press trade, I must press here and choose where I want to press. Then I'll press sell and buy. And press sell. Like if I want to sell this, I'll just press sell. So did you see? Then why if I want to execute on MT5? If I want to execute on MT5, I will just press this line here. Click it. I will be done to choose 0.2. Then press buy. Sell, if I want to sell. The order will open automatic. Look at the order I have opened. So if I want, I can stake as many direct. You can see done. But on MT4, I have to come back, press here, sell. Come back, press here and sell. So it's a little bit like difficult task to do it, to execute your trade fast if you're not using system. But if you're using system, it will be very easy for you. Then here on MT5, you just press here and buy here if you want to buy. Then let me close them all. This is evening time. Market want to close. That's why the spread are so high now. You can see 12. The spread is too high. Let me close all of them. So this is how to close trade. You swap. If you touch it, you swap. Then you press close. You swap, you close. So this is how we do how we close trade also. Then the MT4 also, we swap and close at 0.0. We close. If you're using system, I will do system analysis also, how to use system on, so that it will be easy for those that are using system. So here is where you add your currency. If there's not anyone, like let me see, USD, ZAR, Australian dollars. You can see many. Like let me see this USD ZAR, Australian dollar. Look at it. The chart I've added. Look at here. So this is what is happening on USD ZAR. They're on trending. Wow. This is what is happening. Their exchange. This is their chart. So this is how to add. You come here, you add anything you want to add. Melters, this silver, energy, United States natural gas, indices, German 30, German 40, US and Nasdaq. You go crypto. If for those that love to trade crypto, this is where they are. Look at it all. Then here, if when you want to edit, like you want to delete some, you delete. You click delete. Let me delete. Like I've deleted this, so I've deleted. That is how we used to delete. Then the same thing on MT5. The same thing, if you want to delete, you go here, you press add. If you want to add any symbol you want to add, look at their indices. Australian, look at UK 20. If you see US 30, look at US 100 stock, US Apple, Tesla. Look at them here. Then if you want to delete, it's the same thing. So they have similar. So but the main function is this button and this side button that I love the navigation. I love it very well. I love the navigation very well. I really love the navigation. So let's go further. Like here on MT4, if you press setting, tablet time frame. Let me see how it is to show tablet time frame. Okay, it shows tablet time frame also. Okay, that's good. It shows. So these are the two different things, or the features of the MT4 and the difference between MT5 features and these things. But the advantage and disadvantage, many people love to use MT4 and many people love to use MT5, so I'm not criticizing anyone. So use the one that is best for you and that is suitable for you. So I still remember Balafxofficial signing out to your life. Signing out. So please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Please try to help me out. Let me reach 1,000 followers. Please do so, as I bring out massive content. On my next video, I'm going to talk about, or I'm going to bring out chat, the understanding key basics to chat, how we read chat, you understand, like hammer can do, shooting star, rising star, and I'm going to introduce some other application that is going to make your journeys easier and faster. So thank you, see you once again, bye, peace. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot bar. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the